Hello! Nandito po muli si Maria Manalo and
I'm Christine Joy Alina.
Nandito tayo sa The Park at Lipa, located at Barangay Bulbok, Lipa City, Batangas.
Yes.
So itong nasa likod namin yung kanilang model house na i-review naman natin. Di ba, Miss Tin?
Yes, correct. Sobrang ganda ng loob and this is much spacious than other units or townhouse here in Lipa City.
Excited na ba kayo para puntahan natin yung loob? But
Let's
before
go.
that, please do like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Maria Manalo, and our Facebook page, Maria-Batangas South. So tara!
Let's go!
Nasa loob na po tayo ng ating model house. So ito po yung ating ground floor with our living area, our dining, our kitchen, and our first toilet and bath or full toilet and bath. So ano bang masasabi mo dito, Miss Tin, dito sa The Park?
Ang nagustuhan ko dito yung kanyang floor plan kasi very spacious. Pagpasok mo ng pinto, kita mo agad yung buong space ng ground floor.
Ang napapansin ko din dito, Miss Tin, is ang lalaki ng bintana nila. Sa isang corner lot, kahit hindi ka na mag-ilaw, kitang-kita mo yung loob ng bahay.
Well-ventilated yung
Okay, nandito tayo sa balcony ng ating property. May 3 po tayong bedroom, Miss Tin, and isang toilet and bath ulit na full. So, fully finished po yung ating property. Meron po tayong tiles na, meron na tayong mga division. So, ang maganda dito, tiles yung second floor niya.
Malalaki din yung partition ng room, right? Hindi siya sobrang liit. And I was surprised, 3 bedrooms ang ating model house unit.
Ang amenities po natin is, meron tayong
Pool and clubhouse for our house owners.
basketball court and parks and playgrounds. So, saan ba malapit itong The Park at Lipa?
Malapit din tayo sa School of De La Salle, Lipa.
Start hallway.
Yes.
No? Siguro mga 10 to 15 minutes nandun ka na sa school, nasa hospital ka na, nasa mga business establishments ka na, doon sa ating Lipa City proper. Napakaganda nitong The Park at Lipa by Royal Properties. So kung gusto niyo pong makita ng personal, i-message nyo lang po kami dito sa aming contact number. Please do like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Maria Manalo, and our Facebook page, Maria-Batangas House. Hanggang sa susunod nating tripping!
Correct.
Yes!